फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। I know this is a super requested video and you guys can see in the poll, like literally so many of you guys have voted for no Borax and no glue slime. So this is a series. Congratulations, you guys made it. So this is a series. This will have a lot of parts and I also have so many announcements to make in this coming week and I'm literally so excited. This is going to be a series and this video is actually going to be a two-parters. So congratulations, you guys made it. We are going to do a lot of this kind of videos now. So yeah, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you guys want more these kinds of videos. And yeah, in the end you guys will have a surprise. I will actually tell you in the end, so make sure you guys check out this video till the end. So what we are going to do today is मैं आपको एक video दिखाऊंगी and we are testing no glue no borax recipes of so many channels and we might even expose some of those. So yeah, so without talking much, let's get started with our video. So fantastics, yeah, this is how I am going to show you guys what we are doing today. So I think you guys can even see me on there. Oh my god. Yeah, so whatever. So this is the recipe that we are going to actually test out today. 3 ways to make clear slime with no glue and no borax. So we are going to see if this does work or does not, which is from this channel Slime DIY, which has 500k subscribers, like literally 500k subscribers, and they do this kind of videos which I am going to show you guys. And let's see. So they are taking a bowl like this and they are adding dish soap. So yeah, we need to add dish soap and we can make clear slime apparently. Yeah, let's take dish soap and then they just completely fill it with dish soap. If I do this, my mom is going to kill me, literally. So much of, you know, destruction of products. I am literally going to get scolded by my mom if I waste this much. So today the supply that I am going to use is my own, which I bought from Big Basket. So yeah, so that my mom does not scold me. So yeah, I really don't like wasting things, so मैं इतने बड़े batch में नहीं बनाऊंगी guys. We are going to make a super small batch and as you guys are seeing, they just added the salt and they are just mixing with a comb. Wow. So after all that mixing, I think they are going to wrap it up with a cling wrap. So oh my god guys, please don't mind the AC. मेरे neighbors का AC है, वो don't mind it. So yeah, they are going to cover it like this and then they are going to, I think, and that's all. Okay, so they did said 2 to 3 days. Yeah, after 2 to 3 days, this is what we are going to get, a clear slime. Wow, nice. So just with dish soap and salt. In the beginning of the video, you guys can see there was so much salt before they were like covering it and it was like a greenish slime, and now it is like literally the bluest of the bluest slime I have seen. So you guys can see that for yourself. I don't know what should I feel like, but yeah. So now let's test it out. I took dishwash soap, so I am going to take Vim, which is like the popularist, and I think so many of people have this at home, but you literally just can take any brand. I don't think that matters. And we are going to just collect it all. Oh my god, we are wasting so much of household products today, but if this works, I am literally going to be so impressed, you guys. And now we are going to add some simple salt in it. Like this is pink Himalayan salt. So yeah, let's add. And it is the same salt, you guys. It doesn't matter. It is sodium. So yeah, we need to add a little bit of salt. I think for this much. If we need any more, we will add it. and just mix. Let's see. So fantastic. I think I have mixed it enough. It's been like 10 minutes since I've been mixing this thing up, and I think it's enough. If you guys didn't expect, I am going to do the extra thing, that is the cling wrap. So even if I did everything correct, some people are going to go and comment like, you didn't do the cling wrap, so it is not real. And some people are also going to comment that आपने cling wrap नहीं लगाया इसलिए आपका slime नहीं बना. So guys, we are not going to let our haters say anything. The mixture is pretty thick and I am pretty confident in it right now. So let's do the extra step and cover it with the cling wrap for 2 days, I guess. Let's cover our container with our little cling wrap over here. So yeah, let's just seal it. You guys can see how nicely it is sealed. Wow, the cling wrap really seals the thing. Oh my god. So this is a very nice hack. If you guys don't have a airtight container, you guys can even store your slimes in cling wrap like this. And yeah guys, this is fully sealed, no air or anything. So fantastic. The next slime which we are going to make is the third slime, because the second slime I don't have the ingredients. It is a floor cleaner and I really don't have that floor cleaner. So here is the third way. So we need salt, we need dish soap, and we need Listerine mouthwash. So first they are going to add this dish soap, which we are going to use Vim, and then they are going to add Listerine. Again, no specific measurements, so we need to eyeball it as well. And then I think they are going to add, oh, even more Listerine. Oh my god. So it is like literally pretty much Listerine. And I don't know how this super watery mixture is going to be a full-on slime. And yeah, the magic ingredient, salt, obviously. I am roasting these recipes, but let's see in the end what is going to happen. So yeah, we have this mixture, and then it is going to be again saran wrap. Let's just wrap it up and we'll see. So how many days for this one as well? I think 2 to 3 days. Yeah, they are again 2 to 3 days. So now it is literally the most clearest slime I have ever seen. Oh my god, you guys can see that, right? So yeah, fantastics. We are going to make this one as well, and we'll see if this is real or not. So let's see. So again, we are going to need this Vim, and so yeah, let's add some Vim into it. And yeah, so now this is the Listerine, and this one is actually my Listerine. I'm not wasting any of my family members' products, but this one is for me, so I'm going to waste it. I'm not really, I'm just going to waste it because of this recipe, but who knows, this might even work. So let's add, they added like literally a lot of Listerine, you guys. So yeah, I think we are going to, they literally added the whole bottle, and I am going to add two caps of this. Let's mix it now. And they mixed it literally a lot, so I'm going to mix it as well. So I think the Listerine and the Vim is actually combined well now. This is like so liquidy. I don't know how this thing is going to turn into a slime, but anyways, we are going to add some salt in here. A lot of salt again. First we are going to start with a little bit of salt, obviously. Let's mix. So I think our mixture is pretty close to theirs. It is actually difficult to handle this cling wrap, by the way. It's just so weird. I don't know why. Probably because I never cling wrap anything before. I have containers that are airtight, so probably that's why. So you guys can see it is fully airtight. This is how our solution or probably a slime looks like this, and after 2 days we'll see how it looks. So fantastic, ये रहे हमारे दोनों स्लाइम्स एंड मैंने इनको अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए फ्रिज में भी रखा क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही लिक्विडी थे. So yeah guys, now we are going to see the truth if this formed slime or not. Let's pick up and see. It looks pretty clear and also pretty solid. So yeah, let's open this. And yeah, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have a clear tablecloth on top of the bed sheet, so now we can play with our slimes on here. So yeah, let's see if this actually formed slime or not. Let's take it. Still very sticky, as you guys can see. It's like so sticky, you guys. But this is slime. Like really, this is slime. You guys can see it did form slime. Oh my god, I'm like super shocked right now. Like, can you guys see this? It is super sticky, obviously, like you guys can see, but this made slime, and very nice slime. I have a little bit of residue on my hands, but other than that, this made slime, and the slime is pretty clear as well. Need to put it back in the container, and we have to put it back in the fridge, otherwise this is like so liquidy, as you guys can see. So now let's see this slime. And this one is the Vim and Listerine one. You guys can see, oh my god. It is so clear. It smells like Listerine so much. Oh my god. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. This is like fully solid and it is like super cold because when I say abhi fridge se nikala hai, so it is like so cold right now in my hands, but you guys can see the slime, right? It formed the slime as well. Oh my god. But this is also melting at the time. You guys can see the liquid in my hands. Slime बहुत जल्दी melt होना start हो जाती है guys, so we need to keep it in the fridge. Now comes the big question guys, are these slimes real or not? What do you guys think? Are these real slimes or is this whim? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? It is real or not? And the part 2 of this video will come after this video gets 1k likes. So I uploaded this on Friday, right? So until this video gets 1k likes, I don't know guys, you guys have been slacking off so badly lately. मैंने आपको इतने सारे like goals दिए और वो complete नहीं हो पा रहे. What happened? Fantastics, we are a strong family. और मैं इसका second part जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा interesting है, literally उसको film करने में इतना ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. So if you guys want the part 2 of this video, then make sure this video gets 1k likes और इसके बाद ही हमारा next slime video आएगा. और if this video gets 1k like before Sunday, then we will have an upload on Sunday. Otherwise जब ये video 1k like complete करेगा उसके बाद ही मेरा next video आएगा. So let's see मेरी fantastic fam कितनी ज़्यादा strong है. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys whenever we hit 1k likes. So thank you. Bye bye.